Hey, it's Bailey Bible here at IP Truck for another episode of Shop Talk. Today we're going to talk about the City of Richardson Autocar. So here at IP Truck, we are a Cummins certified dealer. So all of our techs are Master Elite Cummins technicians. We have diagnostic computers, special tools, and parts stocked on the shelves for you. Whether you have a minor repair or an engine overhaul, we are your one-stop shop. On this City of Richardson Autocar, we have a Cummins ISL 9-liter engine. This one came into the shop because it was throwing a code under power. We hooked it up with our Cummins Insight and found it was having a problem with low fuel pressure at the rail. To isolate the problem, we bypassed the fuel tank and also put a clear hose on the low pressure side of the pump and found that we had bubbles in the fuel. With that information, we were able to narrow down the issue to the low pressure side of the pump and identify the fuel filter housing as the source of the leak. Now all we have to do is replace the housing, QC the truck, test drive it, and get it back on the road back to you. Again, here at IP Truck, we are your certified Allison and Cummins dealer, and we do free pickup and delivery for all municipalities, and that is with our CDL drivers, including myself. And again, I am Bailey Bible, your municipality account manager. You can reach me directly at 214-277-1590 or visit us online at iptruck.com. Thank you and have a great day.